We are on board Marella Explorer 2 and just arrived in Corsica. With such a short time in port, it's actually worth getting off the ship. We'll show you all the excursions that Marella Cruises has to offer. We'll even show you a couple that you can do in port. And once back on the ship, we'll show you all what Marella Explorer 2 has to offer to keep you entertained day and night. All the food will be reviewed, ending in the buffet for midnight snacks. If you're new here, welcome. We're Chu and Mark and we share our real-life cruise and travel adventures from around the world. We aim to bring you 2 new videos every week, including honest cruise reviews, full ship tours, cabin tours, destination guides, food reviews and plenty of travel tips to help you plan your own adventures. If that sounds like something you'd enjoy, we'd love to have you as part of our community. Please consider subscribing, click the bell so you don't miss any future videos, and if you enjoy this one, we'd really appreciate a quick like. Now sit back, relax and let's get started. Hello, welcome to Travel with Chu and Mark, and we're on Marella Explorer 2 and we're just arriving in Corsica. Full breakfast, Mum's got fried egg and sausage, and then I've got hash brown, a couple of bacon and a pork and apple sausage. I didn't realise I've got 2 lots on today. Buffet's quite busy, but we're not actually in this port long, are we? So we've just had breakfast now and we're going to disembark. There's an ambulance for somebody there. It's going to be about 20 degrees, so not too bad. In the sun it feels warm, in shade it's a bit chilly.
20 degrees, too cold for me. Have a nice day.
Now Marella Explorer 2 arrived in port at 9 o'clock, but it's a short time. All aboard 2:30. Marella Cruises offer a small amount of excursions available in Corsica, or you can get off the ship and just keep walking to your left away from the ship behind you, and you'll find a couple of places there that's got a bus tour and the train tour. Both similar tours. There's a 60-minute one from the train at €8, a 90 minutes one from the train at €12, or a 55-minute one on the bus, €10. Now we had just missed the train, which meant we had to wait an hour and a half, which that would have meant that because of our short time in the port, that we could have been a bit close and may have missed the ship. So that was out of the question. And the next bus was leaving in 20 minutes. So the bus won. The bus tour also has 2 more tours, but unfortunately only the one was running, the 55-minute one. I'm guessing that is because the cruise ship wasn't in the port for a long time. Now it is only €10 for a 55-minute tour around Corsica. Yeah, it was okay. There's some nice views. You've got a cemetery and that's about it. There's not much to see really. There's the ship and we're going back on. Chu's not going to go far without me. Don't let her in, mate. There you go, Marella Explorer 2. Captain's welcoming us back, look. Yeah, this is your boat, isn't it? He's waiting to say ship. Turns out he's not the captain. Now around the pool deck they've got the snack shack, which has got some fish and chips. It's got some chicken wings and burger and hot dogs. And you just come and tell them what you want and they'll give it you. And then here you've got some grab and grow. So sandwiches, salad, a cake, some fruit in a box and some wraps. And then here they've got some tea and coffees available. And then we've got some fresh water. And then at this side you've got the sun seat and skewers. Again, you're just coming out yourself. We've got some bit more posher sandwiches here and a bit like salad items just here. And again, you can just come and grab what you want and take it around the pool with you. So we've got tuna mayonnaise, we've got chicken and bacon, we've got mustard chicken and bacon on seeded bread. We've got tomato and mozzarella baguette, and we've got Mediterranean roasted vegetables. So good choices available. Just coming out yourselves. Now we'll usually come and get something out of that grab and go fridge and just shove it in our fridge in our room for later on if we come back at night. Or again, we've always got food bags in the bag and we'll nip into the buffet, get some chicken nuggets or something like that, and then we've got something in the fridge if we're a little bit peckish after a night on the drink. It's a nice day. We're going to be leaving shortly, so literally everybody's getting back on the ship now. My dad's just, well, my mum's took my dad to the buffet to go and get something to eat, and Chu and me have had some pizza and some chicken just as a snack. Oh, so there you go, and there's Chu. It's not elephants for a change, it's normally elephants.
Hello, I'm watching to what? Therefore, the towel to be dogs, elephant, swan, duck, rat.
There's our favourite barman. He always knows my drink, always ready for me. Don't bother scanning my card, just here Mark, your drink's ready. That's it tonight. I want my Bacardi spinning around like that. I'm having with that. Oh, the horn is sounding. We're just leaving Corsica now. So I've come up to the top and let's just film us leaving. Let's find a nice little spot to sneak in. I think we'll sneak in just here for a few seconds. There we go. Goodbye Corsica. Let me move that bloody strap. It's a tad windy now. We've set off. Chu's literally, you can't see, but we're like literally sat there in the shade. It's extremely warm. 20 minutes in the sun and my blinking legs are burning. So yeah, if you've not got a Marella cruise booked, get one booked. So prawn cocktail again, and my dad can't wait. Look, prawn cocktail. Yeah, prawn cocktail. I've just got to take a picture yet, Dad, as well. Prawn cocktail, and then Chuchima's got the consomme soup, but it looks a bit watery, doesn't it?
Well,
soup.
Consomme is.
Yeah.
It's made of that made us not very light. It makes it look worse.
Dad wakes, Mum's talking. Okay, Mum, what do you think of your prawn cocktail?
10 out of 10, bloody lovely. More of it this time.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, 10 out of 10 on mine.
Gosh.
Yes, it's very good.
My soup was 5 out of 10.
Yeah, it's a bit weird, wasn't it? We can't actually place it where it is.
Water.
Yeah. And I enjoyed my prawn cocktail, but I wouldn't go 10 out of 10 yet. I'll go 9 out of 10.
You wanted a bit more lettuce.
I want more king prawns. They're the best bits.
You're bloody cold.
So my dad's got chicken breast. I'm going to start making him wait till last. My mum's got the fish of the day there, the tilapia. And then Chuchima is on a diet. She's got the tilapia and vegetables, green curry on the side. And then I've got the quack quack. Okay, Dad, what do you rank your dinner?
Well, a chicken dish. Potatoes and vegetables are okay, but I didn't rank too much to it. I'd get about 7.5 out of 10.
It's not bad then. Mum?
The first one I sent back because it wasn't cooked. The second one, integrate meal better. 4 out of 10. Not enjoyed it one bit.
Yeah. And Chuchima?
Fish 7 out of 10. Green curry is 5 out of 10.
Not authentic, is it, darling?
No, it wasn't green curry.
It's got potato in it. And I had...
Hey, they've got to get rid of it somewhere.
Yeah, I had a quack quack, and I'll give mine 8 out of 10. It was actually quite nice.
You're a best one.
Oh yeah, mine was alright. I have to say, it were alright. I was just not hungry. We had that much to eat this afternoon. I mean, how much pizza have I eaten?
I don't know.
A lot. How much chicken have I eaten?
I don't know.
A lot.
How many ice creams you eat?
2. So yeah, I've been eating all day today, so I'm full. So again, unfortunately, my dad's ruined the picture for you because he's got his spoon in there because he can't bloody wait 30 seconds.
It's cold,
What you got?
Apple pie.
An extra custard again.
Cold apple pie.
Is it cold now? No. But he, the fat bastards, had brought profiteroles as well, look. And then my mum and True have had the banoffee pie, and then I've had a strawberry sundae.
It was very filling, loads of apples in it, but the place wasn't out of this world, but it's still all very nice, and I'll give it a 9.
Profiteroles.
8 out of 10.
Ma'am.
Banoffee pie was okay. Give it a 7.
Shoot him.
I think 9.5.
A 9.5? Wow.
You can touch it.
Well, I had the ice cream sundae, which
fat.
it needed more ice cream.
You like to try?
And the shortbread. Just 2 little bits of shortbread, and I thought I'd at least got a shortbread finger. Well, other than that, I enjoyed it. It's still a 9 out of 10. It just needs to follow it through with another ice cream. And now we're in the Squid and Anchor for a bit of quiz show. Family Fortunes tonight.
3, 2, 1!
And now, music unlimited in the Squid and Anchor. So this is the midnight buffet. Burgers are nice. No, somebody's left theirs there, look. Hey up, the cakes will run out. There's not many stock back up there, look, is there? And that's all it is on the midnight buffet, just enough to give you a snack. So that's it, and it's plenty of room, look, in the buffet now. You still get Foster's out the dispenser there. Well, I do hope you enjoyed that one on our Corsica on Marella Explorer 2. And what an evening it was in the bar. I mean, the bar staff was just amazing, and that show was really good. I enjoyed it a lot. Anyway, if you'd like to watch another in Marella series, you click here, and if you'd like to subscribe, which would help us out massively, you click here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.